What's your top three snacks?
Ooh, that is a big one. Okay, but top three snacks of all time for me, if you remember So Delicious in the 90s, that's the ultimate candy for me that is discontinued, but like the best of all time.
I remember it. Yes.
That was like recess. If your parents put that in the lunch bag, you're like the holy grail of snacks. So that's number one. Number two for I go chocolate Wonder Bar is my go-to because it's got everything. It's got crunch, it's got caramel, it's the perfect chocolate bar. And then I'm trying to do like chocolate, candy, and then chip. And then for me, it's got to be all dressed chips.
All
I don't know
dressed.
if that's basic, but that's the ultimate chip for me.
No, I love an all dressed chip. Although I hear, correct me if I'm wrong, but I hear that's like a Canadian thing. Is it not? Is this,
Totally.
yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think Wonder Bar maybe as well. There might be a version of it in the UK, but it's called something different.
Okay. Yeah.
Um,
I've never tried a Wonder Bar.
that's amazing. You got to. That's homework after the podcast.
I'm writing that down. What about your favorite three things maybe that you've made? Because I know you do a lot of really unique kind of recipes and mashups. Is there anything that comes to mind in terms of the top three?
Totally. I mean, as I've, from originally doing snack content in Canada, US, and then transitioning content into Spanish content, a lot of my recipes you'll see going from reviewing stuff into, making it in the kitchen. A lot of my recipes have a Spanish twist to them. So I would say that one of my favorites to make and to actually taste was a chocolate paella, which for me is like a rice pudding. If you know rice pudding, it was very similar to that. But when I created that, that was apparently crazy and controversial to Spanish people, and I was like, oh, this actually just was an experiment, something that I thought tasted good.
Was the Kit Kat
Um,
one?
yeah, that was the Kit Kat paella.
Oh, cool. Yeah, that looked
So that's
good.
one of my favorites, I would say, and it tastes good. Like I actually could like see someone making it and being like, "Oh yeah, obviously it's a dessert." Because when people think paella, they're like, "I'm assuming it's rice, so it's like a lunch or a dinner." But no, I mean obviously with chocolate, it's supposed to be a dessert. And then it's funny, all the things I'm thinking of are probably strange to the average Canadian person, or they don't even know what they are. Like the if you see the marinara like tapas thing, it's super popular in the region of Spain that I'm in. So I've done a bunch of different versions of that just because it's so popular here. So I did one with Takis that taste wise is so good, and because I love Takis, actually the blue Takis remind me of all dress chips. So it has that like vinegary texture to it. So that's number two. Um, and then the third one is probably I did a Big Mac Spanish omelet. That was like I was like people would buy this. If this was at McDonald's, I feel like people would buy it. It's just potato omelet with basically everything you find in a Big Mac. The meat, the lettuce, the pickles, the sauce. That was prime.
Yeah, I saw that one too, and I was like, "Ooh, that looks good." I'm gonna put some links in the description so people can find you and can see these cool recipes and stuff that you're talking about. Because I think your videos are so fun and so engaging.